In Virginia, most traffic offenses are classified as traffic infractions rather than criminal offenses. Many traffic infractions can be prepaid. A prepayment waives your right to a trial. This means you do not wish to contest the charges. Prepayments may be mailed or paid in person through the court's clerk's office. For more serious traffic infractions, the court appearance may not be waived, and prepayment of a fine is not an option. When appearing for a trial on a traffic charge, a parent must attend the court hearing with the juvenile. The police officer that issued the summons may testify about the child's alleged driving behavior. The child may ask the officer questions, testify, and present evidence. After considering all evidence presented, the judge will decide whether the child committed the offense. If so, the court can impose punishment. Possible punishments can be a fine, and for serious traffic offenses, license suspension or time in the juvenile detention center. The judge can also impose a deferred disposition. This means that the judge will not make a final decision at the trial. Instead, the judge will schedule a review hearing. On that day, if the child completes certain actions, the judge will either reduce or dismiss the charge. If the child does not take all actions required, the judge will find the child guilty of the charge and impose a punishment. Possible actions imposed for a deferred disposition include a driver improvement class, community service, writing an essay, and remaining of general good behavior. The information provided in this video is not intended to be legal advice and should not be relied upon for that purpose. You are strongly encouraged to speak with an attorney so that legal proceedings and the effect of legal documents and orders can be explained. For additional questions and information, please consult the Self-Help Resource Center located in the Fairfax County Courthouse Law Library on the first floor of the court complex.